Always read your using care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Hi, I'm Chef Ann Nolan. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your commercial quality chrome-infused griddle. The supplies needed for this process are a measuring cup with up to 1 cup of tap water, a non-abrasive pad, a pad holder or wooden spoon, a clean terry cloth towel, and a microfiber towel. Never use soap, abrasive materials, stainless steel cleaner, or other cleaning chemicals to clean the griddle, as these may damage the griddle surface. Prior to cleaning the griddle, make sure all the cooktop burners have been turned off and the oven controls have been locked. Look at this mess. We have sticky gooey toffee sauce sitting and cooking on the still hot griddle. It'll be impossible to clean, right? No, not impossible. Actually, it's really easy. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is turn the temperature control to 300 degrees and let the griddle sit for 10 minutes. Take the measuring cup and pour the tap water onto the griddle. Start at the back and let it run down toward the drip tray. See how it bubbles on the surface? Let it bubble for 3 to 4 seconds. Once the water reaches the drip tray, set the measuring cup aside. Take the non-abrasive pad and place it on the griddle. Using the pad holder, move the pad toward the drip tray while applying pressure. Move the pad to the top of the griddle and back down until all the residue has been moved into the drip tray. Wet the clean terry cloth towel and wring it out slightly. Place it on the griddle, then go over the griddle to remove the residue. Fold the towel over to get a clean surface and go over the rest of the griddle. Make sure to get close to the edges of the griddle. Now it's time to turn the griddle off. Allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the griddle is cool, take a clean, damp cloth and wipe the griddle to remove any streaks. Buff the griddle with a microfiber towel. Look how great that turned out. Finally, empty the drip tray in the sink and return it to the griddle. The drip tray is dishwasher safe if you want to wash it in the dishwasher. If the griddle has clouding or ghosting, clean it using a mixture of 1 part white vinegar to 2 parts water. With the griddle heated to 300 degrees, rub the solution over the cloudy area with a non-abrasive pad. It may be necessary to repeat this process more than once. Your griddle is ready to use for the next time. Thanks for watching.